In other news, yesterday marked 2 years after a deadly tornado whipped through Watford City. An EF2 tornado tore through an RV park southwest of Watford City, injuring more than 24 people, displacing a couple hundred, and taking the life of a newborn. The father of the baby held a candlelight vigil yesterday in remembrance of all who were affected. He also wanted to shed light on the progress that McKenzie County has made towards storm awareness.
Obviously, it's to show my son, the remorse for my son as well, but really is to keep Watford City on their toes, and it seems to work, or anybody looking and listening.
The County Emergency Services recently built 2 new tornado shelters and continue to find better ways to keep the community safe.